Hi, welcome to Nagesh Biology online classes. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like and share to your friends. Now I am going to give the detailed information about TSMSET 30% deleted topics or deleted syllabus for 2020-21 academic year. Subject botany. This academic year 2020-21 academic year, those who are going to write MSET exam, especially in the Telangana state, the following topics are completely deleted. One important point, you have to prepare only 70% syllabus of second year. So 30% deleted syllabus, that is I am going to give the details. So among all these topics you are not going to expect even single question because it is completely deleted. But whereas from first year total complete 100% syllabus is there. First year 100% syllabus that is there for exam. Second year 70%, only 30% second year syllabus only deleted. That is now I am going to give the deleted topics of intermediate second year for MSET examination. Now unit 1, plant physiology. In this first chapter, transport in plants is there. That is completely deleted. Diffusion, facilitated diffusion, so active transport, so imbibition, like that there are many subtopics are there. That complete topic deleted for this academic year for MSET exam. This chapter completely deleted. Next, chapter 2, mineral nutrition, essential and non-essential elements. So the role of elements. So total complete entire chapter completely deleted for MSET exam. This chapter also completely deleted. Next, chapter 6. In first unit only, plant growth and development. In this 6.1 growth, 6.2 differentiation, dedifferentiation, redifferentiation, 6.3 development, 6.5 seed dormancy, 6.6 photoperiodism, 6.7 vernalization. All these topics completely deleted. But 6.4, there is some subtopics are there. Role of various enzymes like auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins, abscisic acid, ethylene, all those hormones functions, that is there for exam. But the remaining topics completely deleted in this chapter except 6.4. Next, unit 2, their microbiology. In unit 2, second year Telugu Academy textbook, microbiology 2 chapters are there. In that 2 chapters, chapter 7 bacteria and chapter 8 viruses. These 2 chapters completely deleted. Unit 2 microbiology, only 2 chapters are there. 2 chapters completely deleted for MSET exam. Unit 6, chapter 13, strategies for enhancement in food production. This chapter completely deleted. Those who are preparing for MSET for BPC stream, these topics no need to prepare for exam. So the first year complete syllabus is there, 100% syllabus, whereas second year 70%, that is only 30% deleted topics only there. These topics, so completely deleted, no need to prepare these topics for, especially for MSET exam.